let's make some brown chapatis. So you roll out your dough, and since I had already prepared my dough, just going to roll it out nicely like that. Always make sure your working area has some flour and enough flour, because you don't want your dough to stick on the working area. I've already made like half of the dough, so this is the second round. Like I told you earlier that I do this. This is my job, where I make chapatis for my clients. I post them online, and that's how I get clients. The next thing you're going to do, I'm just going to apply some oil. And make sure it covers the whole dough. You don't want your chapatis to be hard on the edges or on the sides. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to sprinkle some flour on the dough. Make sure you do it nicely all round. And then using your knife, I'm going to apply some flour on it as well, because I don't want it to stick on the dough like that. And then using your knife, you cut out the pieces that you want. So this is the simplest method that you can make your chapati balls. And I usually do this especially when I'm dealing with quite a batch of dough. So when you want to speed up the process, you can always go for this option, which is very easy. And as you're watching, kindly give the video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe and leave a sweet comment down below and tell me, how do you make your chapatis? So these are brown chapatis. So today I opted to make brown chapatis, and actually these ones are for my client. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to make the chapati balls, and I'm going to take 2 of them and start folding them up like that. Can you see the layers already? They've started to form. Yeah, so you repeat the process until you're done. Have you watched our Christmas tree, our vlogmas yet? So we did a video of putting up our first Christmas tree, and maybe if you have not watched it, please go and check it out. It was a very interesting video, doing it with the girls. It was a nice one. We had a good time together. So you keep repeating this process until you're done with all the balls. So making chapatis is not a hard thing, it's very easy. I believe the hardest part of making chapati is the making of the dough, which is actually very easy. Especially just boil your water, you make it cool, or rather you just warm your water if you want it warm. You can always make chapatis with hot water. I do that sometimes, but now for starters you can start with warm water. And yeah, my balls are ready, so I'm ready to start rolling out the chapatis. We cook together as I tell you more about this. Thank you for watching. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe. See you on to my next video. Bye.